Bonjour les amis, do you want to spend Valentine's in France, in Paris, or in French, and you're not quite sure where to go or what to say? Do you really want to woo your Valentine in French? I'm Llyane Stanfield, and you are watching French Valentine with Llyane, where I'm sharing with you every day until the 14th places where you could go with your Valentine, as well as what to say. And I'm also sharing the pronunciation that will help you always say it right. If you would like to have unlimited access to these videos, which by the way expire from Facebook, please click on the link in the description of this video and you'll find everything there. You just have to reach out to me, but you need to be a Joëlette insider in order for you to have access to the videos. I also share, as you get on that link, as you click on that link, I'm sharing with you the French pronunciation cheat sheet, which you can download right away, and so that you can be much more supported in pronouncing all these sweet expressions that I'm sharing with you these few days. So today is day number 8, and I'm going to tell you where to go, or suggest a place where you could go with your Valentine and what to say. And by the way, tomorrow, Friday the 9th, I am going to share with you all the details about Français Sunday. It's going to be a free webinar this Sunday, and all the information will come tomorrow. So make sure that you're coming online tomorrow. It is about the French Valentines. It's a webinar that's going to share with you a lot of things that you want to know. And also, I'm going to share with you a program that is available only for Valentines, and it's called French Valentines for Two. So it is a French program where you learn to speak French with your Valentines. So it is a program for both of you. You can do it together. So today, February the 8th, I'm going to suggest to you that you go to theater. The play that I suggest that you watch is Moi non plus. La romance de Gainsbourg et Bardot au Théâtre de la Madeleine, le 8e arrondissement. So, Moi non plus, the romance between Gainsbourg and Brigitte Bardot, and it takes place at the theater Théâtre de la Madeleine, 8e arrondissement. And what to say? I would suggest that you say Je veux compter fleurette. Je veux compter fleurette. This means I want to whisper sweet nothings in your ear. Je veux compter fleurette. So you have it in the description of this video, this expression, and I would like you to pay attention to the letters in each word so that you can nail the pronunciation, so that it sounds as romantic as you intend it to be. So, je. The E at the end is silent. It's silent, but it's pronounced E in je. And that is because we don't have an accent on it, and so we don't pronounce it je, but we pronounce it je. V. EU is the rule of pronunciation in French, is pronounced E, and the final consonant, which in this case is X, is a rule of thumb in French. So I'm calling it rule of thumb because it has exceptions, and the final consonant is silent. Compter. ON is nasal O, on, and final ER, it's a rule of pronunciation in French, is pronounced E, just like in the English word egg. Fleurette. So EU, same rule of pronunciation as we had in OV. EU is pronounced E in French across the language. And E followed by two consonants, the double T there, E followed by two consonants is pronounced E, as if it had an accent. So E, like in the English word egg. And the final E is silent because it doesn't have an accent. Fleurette. So this is what I had for you for today, and don't forget, tomorrow, Friday the 9th, I'm going to share with you the date, the time, it's going to be on Sunday, of the webinar for Valentine's Day, and I'm going to share also information about the program where you can learn French with your Valentine, and it's called French Valentine for Two. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir.